Today we'll be creating some mouth-watering puff pastry snacks that are sure to impress. Begin by rolling out the puff pastry sheet. Trim off any uneven edges, but hold onto them for a surprise later. Divide the pastry into approximately 7 equal pots. Now it's time to assemble our savory delights. Place sausage rings onto the pastry strip one after another. Don't forget to generously layer some cheese slices on top of each sausage. Roll the strip into a tube, creating a charming rosette by gently folding the edges of the dough and sausage. Repeat this process for each rose. Once you've completed the first type of sausage, move on to the next. Lay out the sausage, add the cheese, and roll the pastry into a tube once again. Create another delightful rose just like before. Now, let's wrap the remaining 2 strips of pastry around the sausages. Divide each strip into 4 equal parts and lovingly envelop the sausages, allowing the edges to peek through and add visual appeal. Remember those saved cut edges? Unleash them now. Roll them out, trim away any excess, and form a rectangle. Divide this rectangle into 4 parts and wrap them around the sausages, completing our scrumptious creations. Place the appetizers on a baking sheet lined with foil, lightly dusted with flour. Whisk up some golden egg yolk and generously brush it over the top of each pastry, adding a delightful sheen. Now it's time to bake these delectable treats. Pop them into a preheated oven set at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a glorious golden brown hue. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible beauty and tantalizing flavors. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure.